हेलो एवरीवन, एक बात बताओ, ये ट्रेंडिंग पोस्ट देखी है क्या? ये कितनी फनी है, इंस्टेंटली हमारा अटेंशन ग्रैब कर लेती हैं। कभी सोचा है who writes them and why? Copywriters write them. Yes, copywriting is a full-fledged profession nowadays that many companies like Zomato, Swiggy, Apple use it to market their products.
क्या आप खुद वो जोमेटो के नोटिफिकेशंस लिखते हो?
कुछ लिखता हूँ।
सीरियसली? सीरियसली?
कुछ
कूल।
And they pay good salary to copywriters. आज इस वीडियो में मैं इसी प्रोफेशन की बात करने वाली हूँ कि कैसे आप 2025 में आप अपने करियर की शुरुआत कॉपीराइटिंग से कर सकते हैं। ये वीडियो डेडिकेटली उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है जो कोडिंग बैकग्राउंड से नहीं हैं या फिर कोडिंग फील्ड में अपना करियर बनाना नहीं चाहते हैं और एट द एंड हैज अ गोल टू गेट अ गुड सैलरी जॉब। So in this video, I will talk about the field of copywriting in detail. What to study, how to land a job in copywriting field. तो वीडियो को सेव कर लो और एंड तक जरूर देखना. So to help you understand better, I have divided this video into these sections. Sections 3 and 4 are very important. So what do copywriters do? I know you might be wondering why I'm suddenly talking to you about copywriting as a career option. Well, let me tell you a little story. A few days ago, I was scrolling through YouTube Reels and I came across this hilarious clip from the Kapil Sharma show.
इनकी कंपनी के जो नोटिफिकेशंस होते हैं, इतना फ्लर्ट करते हैं ये लोग। ऐसे लगता है जैसे गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड आपस में बात कर रहे हैं। मैं कुछ दिखाना चाहता हूँ पहले तो आपको। बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं। नीचे लिखा है बिरयानी, ये रायता, पुदीने की चटनी और तुम।
And it made me think, what exactly is this kind of writing and why do companies care so much about it? So I did some reading and I got to know about copywriting as career. And guess what? Copywriting is not some new trend. बहुत पहले से companies copywriting skill को use कर रही हैं and it is super important for companies.
Utterly, butterly delicious.
But why? Because it helps them connect with customers, build trust and ultimately grow their business. अच्छा एक बात बताओ, if I say ब्रेक तो बनता है और just do it, which company's tagline come to your mind? I know you will say KitKat and Nike, right? And that's the magic of copywriting. And now with everything and everyone online, the need for copywriters has increased like anything.
एक लाइन लिखने का 2000 रुपए? यार इतना तो मैं एक आर्टिकल लिख के भी नहीं अर्न कर पाती। तू ऐसा क्या लिखती है? I'm a copywriter.
Earlier, we would mostly see their work on billboards or TV ads. But today, it's everywhere. Notifications on our phones, marketing emails, Instagram posts, reels, product descriptions, or even the discounts we see on online shopping sites. So to summarize this, copywriting is the art of writing words that make people take action. These actions could be anything: buying a product, clicking on a link, signing up for a newsletter, or even just liking a post. It is everywhere. From Zomato's push notification to Swiggy billboard or to any Instagram caption from a brand or a quirky memes. Copywriters help brands connect with their audience, build trust and keep them engaged. So next time you smile at any of these clever ads or click any of these catchy links, you know who is behind it, a talented copywriter. So how do you know if copywriting is the right career for you or not? So for that, just ask yourself these 3 simple questions. Am I creative? Can I spot what is catchy and working in any ad or post? And do I enjoy expressing my thoughts through words? If you said yes to these, you should consider a career in copywriting.
I think I have decided. I'll go for copywriting career.
To help you get started, I have divided this section into 2 more sections. First, how to become a copywriter with no experience. And second, roadmap for a copywriter with experience. So let me start this section by addressing some of the most asked questions. So the first question is,
Do I need technical skills?
no, you do not need to learn any complicated software. If you can write well, use tools like Google Docs and maybe learn a bit about platforms like WordPress or Canva, you are good to go. Second,
Do I need any specific academic qualification?
so no, you do not need any specific academic qualification. Whether you are a student, a recent graduate, or from any technical background, it is a skill that anyone can learn. So here is a simple roadmap to get started. Start by observing the world around you. Read ads, product descriptions, social media captions, and notifications. Think about why they catch your attention. To start with, you can check some of these brands. They create amazing copies for their Instagram post, email, app notification, and ads. Then take an online copywriting course to understand copywriting techniques. Platforms like Internshala, YouTube has beginner-friendly courses with great content. Learn about headlines, CTAs, and writing for different platforms, Instagram, websites, or emails. And then start writing on your own to build your skills. Rewrite ads you see online. Create catchy captions for fictional brands or products. Try writing an ad for something in your house like a mug or a t-shirt. Create posts for your own social media account. It will not only help you strengthen your copywriting skills, but also help you create writing samples for your portfolio, which you can eventually mention in your resume and share with the interviewer to demonstrate your expertise in the field. And now that you have some idea about copywriting, then it is time to do copywriting internships to gain more experience, build a network, and learn from experts. So for that, you can check Internshala to find relevant copywriting internships. Here is an important tip. During internships, do try to identify your niche. There are different types of copywriting. See which one excites you the most. Once you identify your niche, you can then specialize in it. It will make you stand out as a copywriter. Do not worry, I have explained this part in detail later in the video. So end tak zarur dekhna. Now comes the second section of this video. That is how you can make copywriting as a career and eventually get a high-paying job in it. Here is the roadmap. तो डॉक्टर को भी स्पेशलाइजेशन के ज़्यादा पैसे मिलते हैं, राइट? Similarly, finding a niche in copywriting is important to get good money. These are different types of copywriting, जैसे कि ad copywriting. It involves writing catchy ads or taglines. Social media copywriting. It is creating fun captions and posts for Instagram or Facebook. Email copywriting. It is writing emails that grab attention and make people click. SEO copywriting. It is writing blogs or website content to rank higher on Google. So it is important to identify your niche. It will help you choose which domain you want to write content for. And once you figure out your niche, the next step is to master the advanced skills in that area. For example, SEO writing excites you. Then learn about SEO techniques, data-driven writing, and how to analyze audience behavior. And apart from that, it is also important to stay updated with new trends in the field, like AI in copywriting or using tools like ChatGPT. So take a specialization online course. There are many. I will recommend Internshala Digital Marketing course because it comes with a guaranteed placement upon completion of the course. Ab kya? Now you're all set to get into the corporate world and get a high-paying job in copywriting. The key is to apply to companies where your niche is relevant. For example, if you love social media copywriting, look for roles in startups, e-commerce, or marketing agencies. I will recommend you, apart from checking job posts on Internshala, also send cold emails with your portfolio to brands or agencies you admire. It will help you land a quicker and better job soon. On the screen, you can see the average salary a copywriter gets in India based on his or her experience and skills. It is around 3 to 5 lakh LPA for freshers and can go up to 7 to 12 LPA with a few years of experience. And with that, I come to the end of the video. If you're interested in the field and want to explore it, then do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment if you found this video helpful. Best of luck on your copywriting journey. See you in the next video. Bye.